Do I use a brush or do I use a... No, I wouldn't use a brush. Or would I use a brush? Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. You are so greatly appreciated. If you saw my last video, hopefully this will go up shortly after that one, I received the wrong Boxycharm. I don't know if it was the wrong one. It was bizarre. It was the most bizarre opening that I've ever experienced. As I'm pulling out each product, you know, sometimes my memory gets jogged and I'm opening them and going, I don't remember this, I don't remember this, and when. Well, I'm not going to say everything, but I'm going to link it up above. It's an interesting watch, and it's a short one, let's just say that. So Ipsy did, no, Ipsy, it's Ipsy, but this is my Boxycharm. Regardless, the company sent me a replacement box. And I have to say, it didn't take long. They didn't argue with me. All they asked me to do was send a picture of the items that I received. But I will tell you that trying to get to actually explain your problem using the bot thing is an absolute nightmare. I remember somebody had told me to try a different method. And if you remember and you were the person, please tell me a different method to try to contact them, because I don't want to waste the 20 minutes trying to actually get to the point where it will become an Ipsy ticket and I can explain what actually happened. That's off on a tangent, but I'm hoping that everything in here is going to be the correct items so I can actually go into my phone and tell you what I picked, etc. I'm trying to put up more videos. I've only been doing like 4 a month, and that is just not enough for me. Anyway, let's see. Okay, so there's not going to be a card, obviously, a thing, because this is the replacement box. Just from looking at it, I think this is correct, but let's go through everything. So first, this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. And I was excited to try this. I don't know why. Glow Recipe has the cutest packaging and their stuff is actually good. This isn't as cute as their other packaging, but I'm going to be excited to try this. I'm looking forward to looking at the ingredients. I don't need, personally, an expensive cleanser, but if I'm going to get it in a box, I'm not paying a lot of money for it, so I'm happy. And I just blew my nose and completely wiped off all of my lipsticks, so I do want to use this Lawless, forget the filler. I have the clear one, I love it. Oh, hello. This color, I haven't really tried this one. Well, she's bright, but I think it's sheer enough that I can pull it off. It looks like that Barbie pink that is endlessly popular right now. Did choose this, and I remember because it just talks about it. It's the Context Shimmer Eye Stick. Not completely into these either, but I have really been enjoying the Laura Mercier. Generic packaging. This is an Evening Star. Ooh, it comes with the sharpener. I always want to check that. Oh, that's very pretty. It's obviously going to be shimmery. Oh, that's actually a very nice color. It's subtle, but I think that's going to look beautiful on my eyes. I'm looking forward to trying this. I also want to see how this will pair with my favorite Laura Mercier. So, okay, cool. If you stick around to the end, I will briefly discuss the eyeshadow that I'm wearing. It's one of the palettes that I've been testing out. The next thing, yes, this is the Lifestyle Co. Align Eau de Parfum, and it is, maybe that's the, Align is the scent. I really didn't need another perfume, but this is just what I picked. I mean, very pretty classic packaging. These rollerballs in CVS or Sephora are usually like $29, a minimum of $29. Let's hope I like it. I sprayed it over here because my coffee's over here, and I really don't want to get perfume on my coffee. Ooh. Okay. Initially, I smell a hint of floral, but there's definitely a warmness and a sweetness to it. As it's drying down a little bit, I'm getting more of that warm, gourmand smell. I cannot wait to read what I was going to say the tones. Nope, what the notes are. And this one I picked also. It is the Feel Refinishing Night Serum. It has lactic acid and squalane. I don't know, some people say squalane. To me, SQUA would be squaw. It really doesn't matter. I want to see the ingredients in this because I haven't been able to afford the Good Genes from Sunday Riley. I have to say the ingredient list is pretty good. A lot of the active ingredients like the lactic acid and the squalane are right up front. They're like the third and fourth ingredient down. So I am really, really looking forward to using this. I'm trying to think, have I tried anything from Feel before? I'm not sure. This may be a contender to replace the Good Genes. Really, the only other makeup product that I have here is the Wanderlust Powder Foundation. I know that powder foundations have become extremely popular. It's amazing how they go through cycles. There are some that I've tried that I really like. I know that the Kat Von D or KVD, they no longer make it, and that was one of my favorite ones. Also the Patrick Ta, but mine shattered and therefore was not good anymore. Here you go. Who's actually tried the cushion foundations? I do know that Clara Barrera, Beauty's Ages 55, has tried a couple of the ones that are very popular. Off on a tangent. Cute little packaging. I like it. It's kind of weighty. It comes with the little baby puff. Now, ooh, this feels like a silicone puff. It's not like fluffy. Very nice. It comes with a plastic and a plastic. All right, it's well protected. I did get mine in light medium. There it is on my hand. I want to use the powder puff on the other hand and see how that works. I have a little Winnie Boo Boo here. Let's see what happens. Now typically I apply my powder foundations with a brush. Do I use a brush or do I use a... No, I wouldn't use a brush. Or would I use a brush? But it did cover that little mark fairly well. Okay, I'm going to be very excited to try this. No, I won't try it before work tomorrow, but I will definitely try it. Okay. And my Beauty Boost, which I was actually looking forward to. It is another Glow Recipe product, and this is the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. Firming and lifting. Yes, please. Firming and lifting. I can use that for sure. This is going to be their cute packaging. Look at how cute. It's not shaped like a pomegranate, but it... Oh, I tapped. I'm so sorry. It's not shaped like a pomegranate, but it is really cute. You know, for some odd reason, I was hoping that it was going to be this color, but it's not. It's white. It does have mixture of floral, or is that the perfume? I don't know. I was also hoping it would have a much more fruit scented scent. Well, it's very nice to have gotten the box that I was supposed to have gotten. Now I will tell you while this is pulling up, I had to cancel my Boxycharm for July because I just don't have any money left. So it's a little bit disappointing. I am going to get my regular glam bag because I paid for that for an entire year, but I do pay for my Boxycharm, at least I think I do, monthly. I guess we'll find out whether or not it comes, but I'm hoping not going to be charged because I don't have the money. Anyway, let's see. The Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. This is $28, and let's see, it does have ingredients listed here. It has glycerin, ceramide MP, one of my favorite ingredients. Of course, it has the avocado oil and avocado fruit extract. Those are fairly low on the ingredient list. It has colloidal oatmeal. The next is the Wander Beauty Wanderlust Powder Foundation in light medium. Oh, this is $42. I am hoping with the price tag of $42 that it performs like a $42, even though I didn't pay that for it, but still, my goodness gracious. Let's just read how to use it. Swirl the sponge into the powder and then gently pat onto your face. You know, that's fairly self-explanatory. It does have a decent amount of 5 and 4-star reviews. The overall is a 3.9. I'm just curious about what people are saying. Let's read the lowest. To me, that's always telling. Okay, the only thing people are really saying is that it wasn't the right shade that they received. They're not speaking of the product, which I kind of disagree with. If they're sending you the right shade, you're the wrong shade, you're not really commenting on the quality of the product. So that's why I actually have to read the views and look at the rating to see what's accurate or not. Let's see if I can possibly remember this, because I have no idea where a pen is. And why am I so far away? I'm telling you. So $28.42 is going to be $70. So again, let's see if my brain works. The Lifestyle Co. Align Perfume. I did pick this. Let's see. I still like it. And I said it has a little bit of floral smell, but not one that makes me hate it. Now, initially, no. Originally, no. The actual price of this is $40, but in the Ipsy shop, you can purchase it, and it's $12. So, like, I would never pay $40 for one of the mini spray things, and that's just me. I know I overanalyze things. The analytical nature in me, you know. I know that they're going to count this as a $40 item. So, 70 plus a 40 is 110. And I know I said that with an Italian accent. That wasn't intended. The Feel Beauty Refinishing Night Serum. Where are you? This is $58. What it does, it has, of course, as they said, lactic acid. But typically, I will wear my lactic acids and glycolic acids during the day, because I also wear my retinol at night. Maybe I can switch it up. Again, I really like the placement of the ingredients in here. Okay, before I got cut off, I was reading that somebody said it was gritty, and I wanted to try it. And I was also mentioning that another brand of a vitamin C cream that is gritty as well, but I finally found a way to make it work. I don't feel any grittiness with this one. Maybe they got a bad one. It has a pleasant scent. That was $110. This is supposedly, as I said, $58. So it is $168. Context Skin Shimmer Eye Stick, which I'm looking forward to using. This is $20. Not a good eyeshadow stick. The color is darker than I usually wear. It dries off so quickly that I couldn't, they're saying that it dries so quickly that they couldn't blend it. It just stuck there on my eyelid like a lump of lime. Okay, the language is really funny, but okay. This one complaining that they're 50 and they don't wear shimmer. I know plenty of 50-year-olds who wear shimmer, but everybody is entitled to what they want to wear. $168, so now we're up to $188. I mean, so basically $188 is for the $30 that you pay for the box, because not everybody gets the Beauty Boost. Again, this is the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. Yeah, this is $45. And what did I say that was? $188. Oh, yeah, okay. But this is $45, which is what they say you're supposed to get as minimum. I paid $15 for this, which is an amazing price to pay for a Glow Recipe. This you are supposed to use morning and night, and ooh, they want you to use it on your damp face and neck. Okay, I'm going to do that. So $188 plus 20 be $208, plus another 20 would be $228, plus the 5 is $231. So for everything, for my 6 products, it's $231 value. Okay, so what do I think about my box? Hello. Obviously, I'm happy because it is my box and it's what I was supposed to get. I think I like everything. Again, you know, when you're first picking it, you're like, oh, my goodness, you have this. Oh, am I going to like it? I'm really not disappointed in everything. I'm looking forward to trying a few products. If you get the box, I would love to know what you receive. And if you know me, I really do want to know. Not like other people to say, leave me a comment and don't even look at the comments. Just saying, yes, I am sweating. Don't mind me. So if you were here just to see that box, I appreciate you so much for watching my video, and I just want to talk really, really quickly about my eye look. I don't know whether I did this eye look or not, because my brain does not function properly. There are 3 palettes that I'm currently testing. This Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, the Naked Reloaded palette from Urban Decay, and the pink palette, what is it called, from Lorella Cosmetics. So I'm playing with them back and forth for about a month. Now, again, I don't know if I did this look already. Those are mainly these colors here, and I tried to find like a color that would go with these blues, and then I used this one in my outer edge. I can tell you right now, I don't like this light blue color. It maybe just on me, but I thought it was patchy on my eye, didn't blend well, and just didn't give me the look that I liked. So far, I'm loving, of course, every other color in here, but this one is just not doing it for me. You'll get my full thought on everything, and each time I do a look, I do take a picture with all the palettes, so you'll be seeing all of the different looks. Anyway, I need to stop sweating and go turn on my air conditioner here, so I love you guys. You're amazingly wonderful people, and I'll see you really soon in my next one. Much love, everybody. Bye. Maybe I'm an anomaly. Maybe I'm an anomaly, but